Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this Nissan Maxima, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs and remove the taillight in order to get the bulbs inside. So let's start. First thing, we're gonna open the trunk, and let me show you on, first of all, on this light. Okay, basically to remove this light we'll have to remove these two bolts, but to change the light we don't need to do this. What we have to do, we have to grab a flathead screwdriver and remove this pin right here. So we're gonna take a flathead screwdriver, get our pin in here, remove the middle. Okay, once you loosen up the middle, you should be able to grab it with your fingers and remove the clip. After this, you should be able just to pull this down. Okay, once you have this down, you should be able to grab the bulb with your fingers. Grab it with your fingers, spin it, get it out, replace the bulb if you have to, put it back in and spin it to secure it. That's it. As you can see, it's super duper simple. Okay, put the clip back in. Okay, you have to put like you have to get the inside the middle piece out, then you put in the clip and put the middle in. Good. Okay, if you want to work on this light, if you have to get it out, and you will have to if you have to change the bulbs. So what you have to do here, just remove this thing here from the it's going to be under rubber. So just remove it, loosen it, and just do it like this. Right here we're going to have two 8mm nuts, so we're going to remove both nuts, this one and this one. And so for this I'm using a socket, but you can also use a wrench. So just remove these two nuts. Okay, now we have two nuts out, and basically what we can do, we can already try to pull the light towards ourselves. Keep in mind, don't force it to the sides, because you will break clips that are holding down the light. What you can do, you can get your screwdriver in and try to start loosening it up a little bit, little by little, loose up the light. Okay, you can also put it here, okay, and just play a little bit with the screwdriver. But first I would recommend you just take a napkin or a rag and do it through it. Okay, so in this case you're not going to scratch paint, and be careful, don't over force it, because this is plastic, it's gonna break. So what I'm doing here, I'm gonna also, what you can do, you can just put some tape over the screwdriver. It's not gonna scratch stuff. Okay, just don't over force it. Okay, so I have actually gonna use two hands for this, but one. Okay, so little by little I'm getting it here, here. Okay, this thing. Actually, you're gonna use two hands. Okay, so with one hand you're trying to pull, the other hand. Okay, here we go. Alright, so here's our taillight. Well, to change bulbs, as usual, we just spin, take the bulb, just remove it with your fingers, get the new one, put it in. Same thing here. Okay, like this. And this should be a turn signal, I believe. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, so if one of the bulbs is out, just remove the bulb, put the new bulb in. If you don't know which bulb it is, just go to the parts store, give them the bulb you have. They're gonna give you a replacement bulb. Once you're done, just align the light back on. Make sure everything's nice and neat. You have to make sure this thing goes in here. Okay. Okay. And once it's good, you just tap on the light to get it back in place. Don't over force it, you're gonna crack the light. Then we're gonna just put back our two nuts. Okay, tighten them up and just close this cover, and you're gonna be all set. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.